welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the September Base Lumibox. So if you want to see what I got in this month's Base Lumibox, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and choose that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So I just wanted to mention before we jump into what's in this month's box that I do have an affiliate code with Lumibox. It will save you 10% off on your very first box with Lumibox. So if you'd like to support me and my channel, my code is PureLottie10. I do make a small amount of commission on it. So if you do use my code, I do truly appreciate it. So this month's theme is Spring is Here. Here in Australia, it is spring and Lumibox is Australian based. So in the base box, you do get 5 full-size products and I pay 49 Australian dollars for the base box. So jumping into the contents, I do want to quickly mention that anything that I do try pre-posting this video, then I will add a clip in and my first impressions. Anything I don't try and you do want me to try in a future video, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to feature it in a upcoming video. So to start off with, I've got some Police Watermelon Energizing Makeup Remover Wipes. So it's basically 30 towelettes and it is a watermelon scented one from Police. It retails for 12 Australian dollars and it's available from police.com. I'm actually going to pop these in a giveaway. I do normally like to pop in some makeup wipes in each of my giveaways just because it's always nice if you're sending someone makeup that hasn't, you know, really used much makeup. They don't tend to have anything to remove their makeup, so I do like to add a little thing of towelettes in. I don't tend to use makeup remover wipes unless I am traveling. So yeah, I think this would be really good in a giveaway. So the next product is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics and it is a 4 pressed blush powder. So it is a rose, autumn, plum and sugar colors and it's just this little quad palette. Just looks like this, and you can pick this up from bellapierre.com and it retails for 35 Australian dollars. It has a little plastic casing in here and as I was just opening it, I just stuck my finger in it, so please excuse that. But this is the blush quad. Now looking at this, the first 3 shades I think will be definitely light enough for me for a blush, but this one is going to be a way too dark for my skin tone, so I think that would end up becoming like an eyeshadow instead because it is too deep for my skin tone. But I'm super excited to give this a try. I really do love my blush, so yeah, I'm excited to have some more blushes. So I've just used the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Pro Blush Quad Palette and at first I tried to go in with the 2 middle shades and I wasn't getting much payoff on my skin tone. It came out very, very light and I was trying to pack it on and it just wasn't showing up very much. So I ended up going in with the very last one on top and I have a much better payoff now with that. So the other 3 shades I'm a bit disappointed about because yeah, they really didn't give much pigment. So it might be a good palette for people that are super pale like me or ones that just really don't want too much pigment. I am someone who does like a little bit more blush than most people, so I do sort of want to see the pigment on my skin. But the last shade that I used definitely showed up really nicely. It blended really nicely and it layers really nicely as well. My face is now set because this is a powder, and yeah, it has showed up really nicely on the skin, so impressed with that last color. So it's now been about 6.5 hours since I applied the blush, and it is still looking really nice. I've done a lot of packing. If you notice behind me, it's now empty, and yeah, it still looks really good, almost like I've just applied it. So the next product that I got in the base box is from Lottie Cosmetics, and this was the choice product. So each month you do get to choose a product, so they just give you a few options and you can click on which one you would like. So they had different shades of this. So this is actually a Shade Sticks contour stick. So this is what the packaging looks like. This one is in Mahalo. So I did choose the lighter shade because I am so Casper white. And inside this is what the little tube looks like. It does retail for $32.50 and is available from laritzi.com. So this is what the tube looks like. So it's just like a nice bronzing contour stick. Let's give it a quick swatch. It feels really nice and creamy. It does look like a nice color. Let me see if it blends out nicely. I'm not actually a fan of a lot of liquid products. I do prefer a powder. It just handles my hot flushes a lot better. This is blended out, and I think that color is going to work really nicely on my skin. So I'm excited to give that a shot. But as I said, I'm really not much of a stick person, so I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. So I've just used this little stick bronzer from Lottie Cosmetics. So this is in the shade Mahalo. I really do actually like it. So I put my foundation and concealer on. I have not set my face yet because this is like a cream product. So this side I swiped it on directly onto my face and blended it out with a brush, and this side I put it directly onto the brush and then like sort of tapped it into my skin. And I think I prefer this side better. You get more pigment than that side. But I think either way it looks really nice as well. It didn't lift my foundation at all, which I'm really impressed about. And I was a bit worried the colour was going to be a bit too dark for me, but it actually blended out really nicely, and I'm very happy with it. So this is a product that I wasn't expecting to like because I'm not a cream bronzer or blush person, but I'm actually very impressed with it. So it has now been about 6.5 hours since I applied the bronzer, and I really do not see any difference in the bronzer at all. It is all still really nice. It looks fresh. So I am very happy with it. So the fourth product in here is from Low & Grip. And this is my mother-in-law's favorite brand, so I will pass this on to her. It is actually a Get a Grip hand balm. So it's for hands and cuticles. It's an instant absorption and deep hydration. Comes in a tube like this. So it's literally just got hand balm written on the top there. So this is a cute little size as well. It is only 50 mils. So it retails for 19 Australian dollars and is available from adorebeauty.com.au. Now I've left the most exciting piece for last, and it is actually an eyeshadow palette. So this is from Model Rock, and it is from their Graffiti collection. It is the Colour Playbook palette and retails for $39.95 and is available from modelrocklashes.com. So it looks like this. It's a real skinny, long palette. This is the Neon and Pastel Series 1. So this is the outside packaging. And then this is the inside. Now, I actually opened this just before to work out how to open it. And this actually slides down. And this is all of the colours in here. Now, how stunning is that? This is completely me in a palette. All these colours I absolutely love. This one here is like calling my name. Just love it. It is so stunning. Now, if you do it again, it then also has a mirror. So there is 3 pieces and it's all connected together at this piece here. And then it does have magnets on it as well so that you can't just easily move it and accidentally damage it. But this has me super excited. So it is cruelty free and vegan. It's made in the USA. It's paraben free. And yeah, I'm super excited to give this a shot. And these colors are absolutely perfect for me. So I've just used the Model Rock Colour Playbook to do my eyes. I didn't use the pink shade or the purple shade, but I did use all the other shades just to create this really colourful look. I did go for bright out there colours because that's what this is, and I wanted to try and use as many colours as possible to show you guys what it looks like and how it wears. So I'm going to finish up my lashes, but other than that I'm going to leave the eyes the way they are, and I will do a check-in. But from first impressions, there is a lot of kickback in the pan. There is fallout underneath your eyes as well, so I definitely recommend do your eyes before you do your face products. And yeah, if you've got kickback in the pan, I don't normally mind that as long as it's really pigmented, and it is definitely really pigmented, so I'm completely fine with that. So it has been 2 hours since I put the eyeshadow on, and I wanted to mention a few things, which is why I'm doing a quick check-in now. So I'll zoom you in on my eyes. So I have been filming some other videos, so I have been sweating and everything, but I wanted to mention that the gold from up here is now transferring down onto my lid. So I'm not sure if you can see that little bit of gold along there. And then also same thing on this one. You can see there's gold there. So just a word of warning with that. It wasn't there when I very first did my makeup. But after filming 2 videos, I can definitely see it transferred now. So yeah, just a word of warning on that, but I will keep testing and check back in later. So it's now been about 6.5 hours since I applied the eyeshadow. So I've just zoomed you in, and there really isn't much difference from the last check-in. The only thing that I want to complain about is the gold transferring down onto my actual lid. I do notice that the blue underneath my eyes is smudging and settling in my eye creases there, but I mean, I can't really complain about down below in creases, mainly just the transfer on the actual lid. I'm going to take these lashes off and we'll see what it's looking like. So yeah, I'm not sure if you're able to see it better now, the transfer of the gold there. But really, that's the only thing I can complain about. I have been doing packing and everything and sweating a bit, so it withheld really well. So very happy with this palette and I'm excited to keep using it. So this month's base box retailed for $138.45. So I only paid $49 for it. So again, amazing value for money. You really can't go wrong with these boxes. And I am super excited to try everything out. So if you liked what you have seen today and would like to try Lumibox yourself, you can use the code PureLottie10, which will get you 10% off your very first box with Lumibox. Now it is an affiliate code, so I do make a small amount of commission on it. So if you do use my code, I do truly appreciate you supporting me and my channel. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!